This lesson will describe how to use the species range reference table in Toughman. To open the species range reference table, click on the Reference Tables button in the main menu, and then click on the Species Ranges tab in the Data List screen. This opens up the data list of species ranges for the longline fishery. The first thing to notice is that any changes to the data are made directly into the data list window, as there is no separate data entry screen. Secondly, there are different species ranges for the 4 specified fisheries: longline, purse seine, pollen line and troll. In all of the fisheries, the tables have the same column format. An International Standard Species ID, and that's from the FAO ASFIS code, the species common name, and then the following ranges: maximum and minimum number, maximum and minimum weight, maximum and minimum average weight, and maximum and minimum lengths. These represent the minimum and maximum allowable physical parameters for fish caught. The ranges should be realistic so that data entry errors can be trapped, but also allow for normal variations in catch and size of fish. As there are differences in the targeted size of fish between the fisheries, the ranges and species that are caught can differ between the fisheries. If we look at the maximum weight for yellowfin across some of the fisheries, we see that there are large differences. In the longline fishery, for example, the maximum weight for yellowfin is currently set at 3,000 kilograms, which is probably too high. This is compared to a weight of 400 kilograms in the purse seine fishery, a weight of 50 kilograms in the pollen line fishery, and a weight of 1,000 kilograms in the troll fishery. And this reflects that each fishery is targeting different sized fish in the population. You'll also notice that some of the minimums and maximums are set to 0. This means that there are no limits set. You will have also noticed in our example version of Toughman that there are varying numbers of species available for each fishery. And again, this reflects the different targeting natures of the different fisheries. That concludes this lesson.